In our last video, we walked through creating a professional looking design by starting with a slide that we liked that we found online and turning it into one like this via the use of shapes and images. You can watch that video. There's a link in the description or right here above. But what we're going to do in this video is turn this into a one-click process by creating a master slide. And the first step that we do from there is pick up from our last video. And what we did is we created these hexagon shapes on top of the hexagons in that image. And what we're going to do is we're going to select those. And copy them. We're going to go up to the View, Slide Master, and we're going to insert a layout. We'll move our text box over here for now, and we'll paste them into our slide. And we'll go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and we'll choose the Union option to turn them into one shape. Now, the next step is inserting a placeholder. And what we want to do is we want a picture placeholder. So we're going to have our picture placeholder larger than the shapes that we just put into the slide. And that should work for us. We're going to take the picture placeholder and send it to the back. Shift and select our image and go Shape Format, Merge Shapes, Intersect. And just like that, we have a custom image placeholder that we can make use of on any slide. So now we'll resize our text, and we will also, here in our master slide, insert a text placeholder, and we'll put that one below it. Line it up. There we go. So now we'll be able to add any text into our custom slide as well. And we're going to line this one up to the top of our image here. Our placeholder. There we go. And move this one down just a little bit so there's some space. And like that. And we will right-click on our slide, rename it, and we'll just go New Custom Layout, all caps. And we'll close out a master view. So we'll go back into our deck, insert a new slide, and we'll choose our new custom layout that we created. Here we go. So we can now click on our placeholder, go Insert Pictures. We'll do a stock image. We'll go get that same one that I had placed in our intro. So we'll type in mountains. Here it is. We'll insert that one and right into our image placeholder. Now, if we want to play around with the image a little bit, we'll go ahead and crop it. We can move it around. Let's make it a little bit larger. And now we'll drag it over here. That looks pretty good. We'll crop. And now we have the image just the way that we want it. The other part of the equation was if we wanted to have all these other shapes, we can just select all the shapes and deselect the image. Control C, bring those over, Control V. So they're right in the same spot as the other ones were. You see the transparency is still there for all of them as well. Next, we can add our title and body text for the slide, right? And since it's a placeholder, we can change the font that we're using. So we'll go with a font that we used in the other video. And this will be the Samoy Black. And for this one, we'll get rid of the bullet point. And we'll just go Sugoi Normal, the UI. There you go. So now you have the ability with a custom master slide to quickly add new images into all of your slides and create your deck rather quickly. So that's the power of the master slide. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know below, and we'll work on some more PowerPoint slides in the future.